This is Ashley with The Panicked Foodie, and today I'm going to show you how to cook an egg fast. For those of you that like to skip around, please check out the safety tip at 1 minute and 2 seconds. To get started, you will need 1 small bowl, 1 large egg, a salt grinder, and an oil of your choice. I'm going to use extra light olive oil, and 1 paper towel. Put 1 small drop in the bowl. Using a paper towel, grease the sides of the bowl and wipe away any excess. Next, I like to add some salt to the bottom of the bowl. You can use sea salt. Here I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Give it about 1 or 2 cracks. Break your egg on the side of the bowl and dump it into the bowl. Do not skip this step, otherwise your egg will explode in the microwave. Take a toothpick or a fork and break the yolk. I like to place the toothpick underneath the yolk and slide it kind of horizontally to make sure that that membrane is broken. And you can see that it's broken here because the yolk is starting to escape. While it doesn't look as pretty, it will ensure that it won't explode in the microwave. Next, place the bowl in the microwave. Change the power level setting of your microwave to 4 out of 10, and then enter a cook time of 2 minutes and 15 seconds. This will give you a firm egg. If you want something that's a little bit softer, you might want to shoot for a time around 1 minute and 45 seconds, or possibly even sooner at 1 minute and 30 seconds. As the egg is cooking, you might hear some popping sounds like this. Which is okay. If for some reason you did not properly break the yolk and it does explode, shut off the microwave immediately and leave the egg in there for 5 minutes before you try to remove it. Once the egg is finished cooking, you want to let the egg rest in the microwave for a minute or 2 before you remove it. The bowl will be hot, so be sure to grab some pot holders before removing it from the microwave. You can see here that the egg is cooked all the way through. For a softer or perhaps a runnier egg, microwave for less time. To remove from the bowl, you can use either a wooden spoon or a rubber or silicone spatula. The egg should come right out if the bowl is greased properly. I like to cook eggs this way so I can use them on a breakfast sandwich. It cuts down on the preparation time by several minutes. If you like my recipes and want to get more, click like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching!